Welcome into a brand new episode of WSI TV. Enjoy the show.
All right, welcome into a special episode of WSI TV. This episode is going to double as Jim's market update here, since we had to come out to Dallas to attend a closed-door event that we were invited to with the former President George Bush. So you'll hear a lot more about that in the future. We'll give you updates on that. But right now, Jim, what are you seeing in the market right now? What's your take?
Yeah, so we had a worrying for most who aren't following what we're looking at, a sharp correction in the market that got everyone spooked and that woke the bears up from their sleep and started talking about, here we go again, the top's in, etc., etc. But that was after seeing brand new highs just very recently. So, and that's really been the characteristic of what really is an extension of a bull market that we called in November 2016. It's instead of having healthy, sort of stepped corrections on the way up, it just keeps floating up like a balloon, and all of a sudden it's like this reality checks, and it'll have this nasty, violent, sudden correction out of the blue. We saw that in January of the previous year. And then in March afterwards, and then it had this big reset that we were waiting to see what happened. And here we are again. It's off to the races again, but it's just doing its old thing. It's a fragile bull market because it's based on, as we've said before, it's based on a lot of high expectations that aren't really there, and it's almost as if, like I say, it's this balloon. Every now and again, it just pops and snaps back down. But the important thing is it's not got below its key moving average. Is the important thing we look at. And that moving average is still on course, which is why I've been commentating on it's not ready yet to call brand new bull, and that's what my system is coming into effect now by saying not yet, we're not ready yet. Maybe another 6 weeks away, as long as things don't deteriorate down, and then we could still be on for albeit a cautious new bull market call.
Right, so some great action this week, as you said, and we're still sort of holding off a little bit.
Yeah.
We are making specific trades in our premium recommendation services, which are going ahead as planned here. So let's step away from the stock market really quick, and just touch on Bitcoin, because that had a crazy surge.
Right. So we've seen a very, very interesting action going on with Bitcoin now, and I have been in my market update for the last few weeks now, I think, been commentating, watching closely. We're ahead of the curve on this with, says there's movement again. It's got a heartbeat once again instead of this long, slow, grinding downwards thing that's been going on for pretty much a year now. We've been watching it burst up above its key moving average again. It's been on heavy volume, and I've been sort of watching that closely. And also, we're now starting to see that key moving average start to flatten out. And we're up to, I don't know what it is today, but it's just every day it's up. It's above 8,000 again now.
Yeah, 8,100.
And heading higher. So that's going to be interesting to see, how people react to that. But I'm seeing this I'm now taking this as a serious move upwards that's going to, looking like it's going to get some traction,
Right, yeah. Now, Jim, I know you've got a lot to get to here. We're still out here in Dallas right now, but I appreciate your input on that, and I'm sure the viewers do as well. And we'll talk to you guys back when we're in at home. Yeah.
See you back then.
Thanks for watching the latest episode of WSI TV. Be sure to visit WSITV.com, where you can subscribe for free with no contract and gain instant access to the secrets of self-made millionaires via the WSI TV vault. So go ahead and claim this gift for free now at WSITV.com.